Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. I've got another quick fix video for you, and this one is over a fairly common issue with a really dumb cause but a super easy solution. And what that problem is the Ford Sync system restarting when you are on a Bluetooth phone call. And this is what's going on. To illustrate this, I'm in my wife's 2013 Lincoln MKX, and so what happens is you're driving down the road, you're talking to somebody on the phone, and the whole sync system just restarts on you. But then maybe sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. I will bet you a whole dollar that the calls that are restarting the system have an emoji in the contact name in your phone for that contact. So, for example, you talk to grandma on the phone and she's got a chocolate chip cookie emoji in her contact name, for example, and that call always shuts everything down. But then Bob from work is just plain old Bob. That call goes through without a problem. Take that emoji out, and I will bet you that you will not have that issue anymore. Restart the car, restart the system, try it again, and see what happens. I know it sounds weird and stupid, but what is happening is that the sync system cannot solve for whatever that character is. And in fact, if you'll notice on the infotainment system, on the gauge cluster, it will show like a question mark inside of a box because it can't solve for whatever that emoji is, and so it crashes the system. It will restart, but that's still there, so it'll crash it again. So take it out, try it again, and hopefully this solves your problem. I bet it will. And so hope this helps you out. I'll see you guys in the next one.